Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you add photo to your mobile keyboard. So it is very easy to add photo to your mobile keyboard because by default most of the Android phone have Gboard in their keyboard, and if you're not Android user you can just also find some apps in App Store, and in those apps you can just add photo in your keyboard. So for Android, just go to settings and search for Gboard. This option Gboard, click on it. Now click on theme from here, and here you can see my theme. There is a plus icon, and after clicking the plus icon just add a photo of yours. Now after adding the photo you can just adjust the photo, and after that just click on next. Now you can just adjust the brightness and click on done. You can also just choose keywords or not, and after that just click the bottom right apply. Now if you just go to any keyboard, and here you can see there is a photo in the keyboard. So guys, that's how you can add photo in your keyboard. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.